sure that I can please you.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This one has been a long time coming, but I'm finally posting my DreamCon adventures and my first cosplay. Let's get into it. Before heading to DreamCon, we had to cosplay as a YN for a night to celebrate my best friend's birthday, but immediately after, we started to pack up for our road trip. We got this giant box full of snacks for the road, and everything was going good until we started fighting over the snacks.
Oh yeah, I got somebody over there. About to go load up the car.
Once all the snacks were claimed, we headed out in the middle of the night to make our long 18-hour drive from North Carolina all the way to Texas.
Ooh, man. Pray for us.
The gang was knocked out, mouths all open while I was driving, missing all the scenery, and it was so beautiful. We tried our best not to make any stops, but there was one exception.
Okay, y'all, this is my first time at a Buc-ee's. We are at the Buc-ee's. Tiffany has been talking about this Buc-ee's since I don't know how long.
The whole road trip.
Are they only in?
Gotta stop at Buc-ee's.
Are they only in Texas?
No.
Listen, Tiffany really has been talking about it for so long, and I thought she was exaggerating, but Buc-ee's, it was a whole experience.
Freaking made it.
Oh my God.
Only 48 hours.
No, literally, we've been in this car so long.
Oh my gosh. On the way back, I'm riding in the trunk.
When we finally got into the city, the first stop was the convention center to pick up our passes. The energy in the building was wild. People were already dressed up, taking pics, laughing, meeting up. You could just feel the hype in the air. And it really hit me like, this is my first DreamCon.
We just woke up and we're about to head to the convention after everybody get dressed. Today is day one. We turn it up. I'm excited.
Shot.
And yeah. The
It's
house
your
is
birthday.
very cozy. This bed was comfortable. Was y'all comfortable last night?
Yeah. Maybe we need a firm bed, Jenny.
Maybe we need a firm bed because this bed,
Because I was not.
I was not too, but we was drinking last night. We had a long trip.
Yeah.
I had a good night's sleep. Y'all, last night we stayed up watching Tyler Perry.
Tyler Perry.
What was the name of that movie? Divorce in Black.
Yeah, Divorce in the Black.
Oh, that was even worse than the one before that. The Mia Culpa. Like, I'm so mad.
Overrated.
We wasted 2 hours watching it.
Literally. Everybody said it was predictable.
All right, y'all, this the fit.
Do y'all still have the steamer in there?
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
I gotta put me on my little perfume. Smells so good. I have to get the big bottle. So today we're not cosplaying, but tomorrow and what's today? Friday, Saturday and Sunday we're gonna be cosplaying. So y'all, I'm excited. Y'all, my thighs. Y'all see that? We got the black top with the shorts. Just some felines. And I forgot to put my purse with it, y'all.
You're gonna get oil on your shorts.
Custom art by Eddie, by Vision Eddie. Her.
Chopper style.
Make sure y'all get y'all stuff. Going on a nice walk. We're headed to breakfast. Going to Cenote.
pulled up to the convention center and the line was wrapped around the building.
I feel like looking up is making it hotter.
Right. Y'all, it's so many people.
I love how y'all.
I was so mad because why didn't anybody tell me that the creators did not come to play?
Are you ready? 20 seconds start now.
Y'all look so good. From the sword, okay, the hair, excuse me. The artists and vendors came through too, selling everything you can imagine. The hustle, the creativity, the originality. It was actually really inspiring.
The hottest artist in the world, Oscar the virus.
Okay.
Point blank point, there's no debating, it's fact.
Period.
It's
It's a fact. Hottest artist.
Like 80s girls say, it is known.
So you want to do this next year? Goals? Oh wait, Ari, let's go over here.
DreamCon. If you're excited to be here, can I get a yeah?
I could honestly shop and admire the merch all day, but we gotta move on. Okay, we got our DreamCon cocktails. All right, how you feeling?
These people, they nasty. They looking at my booty.
She literally got some on her booty.
Show them my pants.
I already got a
did.
video, yeah. It's a lot of people. Well, it's not terrible, but it's a lot of people in this one room.
It's the fact that the booths are close, so when people just stopping to look, it's getting crowded. It's getting a little claustrophobic. But that's okay. It's beautiful seeing all these beautiful black people dressing up.
It's a lot of nice
coming
art.
together. All these black business owners making their own comics. Like, what? If you're a black person, you got an idea, do it. Do it.
I love to see all the cosplayers. I love to see all the art. I love to see all the business owners.
It's so
And
creative.
yeah, everybody is really creative, and people out here having fun.
They out here making black superheroes. Get on it.
Something that I didn't expect was the game room with the full arcade, battle stations, and my favorite game.
Fight!
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world
Okay, it's one.
just
one.
the ones
We're being in Sub-Zero, they eat every time.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
We're going in the whole other side, across to the other hotel where they have even more stuff. So many people.
Ooh, it is so hot out here. Everybody leaving.
There was a bunch of workshops and classes, but we really came for the karaoke battles.
Anyway, where's the record too? I think somebody is gonna show up.
Sexy Red!
Be a gentleman today. Who I want to
I'm gonna still beat him.
He look like he's standing picture toe. You wanna come? You wanna come?
You my head, man.
Phantom, what you got? Let me get bro with the bullet.
This is the line to get into the workshop. Okay, we about to do the crafted creation, basically like mentorship for new creators.
How y'all doing? All right, y'all having a good time? Yes, that's what I like to see. We have Twitchers, we have fashion designers, content creators, just overall beautiful individual people. So they're gonna tell us their journey, and they might even tell us some tips on how, if any of you are interested in becoming content creators. So let's welcome to the stage the one and only Taylor Senpai. And then we also have Jalon. And last but not least, the totally amazing couple, Dwayne and Jazzy.
I would say, I think like taking breaks, like, cause we kind of felt guilty. Especially sometimes your audience could be demanding, so your audience could be like, bro, where's the videos? Like, where they at, bro? Like, what's up, bro? Like, why you ain't post? Like, and so you're like, I gotta take a break, bro. But so like, that would like one of our biggest challenges was like taking breaks and actually like, well, look, bro, like, I'm gotta rest, bro. I need my nap, like I'm W-unk, bro. Like, I'll be like, yeah, bro, like, come on, bro, like, come on, nephew.
Downtown Austin is cute. So we left the convention center and now we're walking to get some tacos from One Taco in downtown Austin. It's hella busy out here. We pulling up at One Taco. It smells so good already.
We love a $5 margarita.
We outside tonight. Tiffany about to get his first tattoo. I'm gonna get you. What you about to make?
As you could tell, we was clearly having a ball, vibing to the music, drinking. But I got a question. Why do we do this to ourselves? This why I stopped drinking. We making all the ugly faces. I just know this liquor was cheap. But look, she's still vibing though. See, this is why I'm done.
Like that though, that's crazy. Y'all, this giving Bourbon Street. It was literally a big rat in the bar
so nasty, like, and then they're gonna say $2 shots. I'm not going in there with that rat. If you enjoyed part 1 of my DreamCon experience, make sure you like and subscribe. Part 2, I'm doing my first cosplay, so make sure to hit the bell so you're notified. Bye, tribe.
Ready, set, go.